simple steps to download TikTok videos for free. So first of all, select the video that you want to download. Right? So let's
ما
take
شاء
example
الله
this
وشريت.
video. Alright? Sorry for that noise. Now what you're gonna do, click the share button at the bottom next to the comment and liking in the list or favorite option. I think it's called, yeah, to the favorites list. Okay, and then click the sharing button. And then what you're gonna do, you can save the video if the creator allows for it, or you can copy the link for that video. So I'm gonna head right here next to the social media platforms, click more, right? And then what you're gonna do, hit copy, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to your browser, and then go to the Snap Insta, or excuse me, ssstic.io, and you're gonna insert the link that you copied, and then hit download. Right? If the platform doesn't work, or they say the link doesn't exist, just try another platform, and then you're gonna be able to download it. So you could just go ahead and hit without watermark HD if you're willing to hold, if you're willing to watch the ad. So you can hit without watermark HD, but you have to watch the ad, or you could just hit without watermark and close the ad, then hit close, and then hit download, and now you're gonna be able to watch the video on your phone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.